Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course and this part 128 Laravel 11 product facing data from database tutorial, and this my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is a database name. Inside this is a list of table is available. Click this product card table. Product card table available in this is a record is a previous video. Please check 127. This is a list is a show. And this my project is available gem folder inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project. This project is already open. This my sublime text editor. Let's cmd this directory inside this cmd open. Let's run php artisan server. PSP artisan server successfully working fine. This URL is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully working fine. Successfully working fine. This is a successfully working good PSP artisan server. This is a project directory inside this open and this run. Let's slash admin login. This admin login. Let's admin @gmail.com. Password is 123456789 and click this login and not now. Successfully working fine. Let's click this product card. Click this product card. Inside this is a static data is available. This is a data is available, but this static data previous video this is a add record in this database insert. This is a list is a show. The same here copy and inside this route inside web.php open route, and this is web.php, and this is a available admin product card. This is available admin product card. This is the same here. Let's product card controller open inside this is a function is a available admin product card. Let's controller is open. This is a controller app http product card controller. This product card controller, and this is a function is available this function. Let's close this file already. This function is available. This is a function admin product card. This available admin product card and this list resource view admin product card, and this is a list file, and this list file is available name description image price created updated. This is all is available. This is a form is available, but this is a static data. This is only static data is available. This record is a face. This record first of all this is a table name is available. Table name is a product card table. This table is available model inside. This is already included this model. This is a table successfully same copy and inside this is already included. Let's $data get record is equal to paste here, and this is a get, and this is a $data is a pass same here copy, and this $data is a pass save file successful data is a pass. Let's same here copy. This is a copy and this file is open inside this forest loop is a start. Let's forest forest same here paste here. This is a data is a pass. This data pass and same copy, and inside this is $forest is $value. This is a new variable create. This same here copy and inside this is a paste end forest save file and refresh this page, and this is a 2 record is a show. Inside this is a 2 record is a show. Good working. This same 2 record is a show, but this is a not a dynamic. Let's dynamic this remove $value id. This is a 2 id is available. Let's refresh this page, and this is 1 and 2 id is available 1 and 2. This is a dynamic record is a show. Let's next is the same here copy this value inside. This is a name. This is a same here name. Same name is a copy save file and refresh this page. This is the name is a dynamic get. This MIM Motorola, the same name. Next is a description, the same here description. Dollar value and this paste here. This is a description. Last is this is a price. Last description, otherwise this is a price, not a price, this is a image. The same here copy, this is a only image. This image is a paste here. Last is a price and this is a date format. This is a price. The step by step record is a find. This is a price. Next is a this is a date format is a set. This is a not a date. This is a step by step same copy, paste and paste. This is a created and updated date is a implementation. Same copy and inside this created, this copy and paste here. Save file. This is a paste and refresh this page. Successfully all good. This is a name, description, image. This is a not a image show. This image is a please check this previous video public inside this product. This is a two images are available. This is a two name is available NBO R1V. This is available NBO RNV available. This is a price and this is a date format is a not a correct. Less date format is a correct is a implementation. This is a India time. This is a date format is a create. Same year cut date D M Y S I and this is a str2 time and paste here. This is a date format is a correct implementation. Let's refresh this page. Refresh this page. Date format is a set. And this is a issue less data date not a data date. This is my mistake. This is a date is implement not a data. Let's refresh this page and this date format is a set. My mistake. This is a available. This is a date format is a good working. This is a not as good. Let's same here copy. This is the same here copy and paste here. Only this is the name is a sense and this is a extra is a remove. Save file and refresh this page. Simple, not a in this simple way. Good. This is a second. This is a second. This is a minute and this is all successfully good working. This hour. This is a minute and this is a second. All good. This is let's next is the image is a set. This is a image is a get. Image is already included. This is a folder. This folder is public. Inside this folder inside this image available. Let's this is a remove not use image src. This is a close src and this is a folder name is a asset. Let's asset paste here and this folder name is a implementation folder is available a product folder. Let's product slash dot and this is a value already available image style and with share style. This is not a src style with 100px height 100px save file. Successfully save file. Let's refresh this page and this is the image is selected. Good working. This is the image is successfully good working. Two images are available inside this two and this is a HTML design. Let's create this new product and two product is available inside this true product is available this true product and these two images are available. Let's click this new product name is a Vivo. Description is a mobile test, and this is the image is a select. This is a third image, this third image select, and price is a 25 and submit. 25 price is a submit, and this is available. This is Vivo mobile test, image select, and this 25, and this is a date is a created, and this 3 number, and successfully record is a created. Good working. Let's refresh this page. Successfully available. This is a 3 record, and this is a 3 images a show. Good working. Last image, this is a upload, inside this is a show. Good working. Let's this is a record is a 30 is a shared. This is a 30 inside this refresh this page, and 30 is a set. Good working. This is a 30. This is a fetching value. This data is a get in data base. This is a find, and this is a model is already available. Please write down this model inside this include, and this is a get. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Any doubt, so please contact this anytime 24/7. Anytime contact. This is a WhatsApp, Telegram, and Skype is always available. And this my channel. Subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow this all link, Facebook, Instagram, and GitHub. This my social link. Thank you.